Echo English Club. Learn with ease and rise above. Hey!
Welcome to Echo English Club, the channel where we train your brain to learn English faster through shadowing exercises and neuroscience techniques. I'm teacher Monica, and today we're starting with the most important verb in English, the verb to be.
Verb to be. Verb to be.
In this video, you will learn the form and function of the verb to be, practice with a shadowing activity to train your brain and your mouth at the same time, test yourself with a final exercise to make sure you've mastered it. And because practice is the key to memory, I've prepared a free worksheet you can download to keep studying and practicing on your own. If you find this lesson helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next lessons. Have handy a pen and a notebook and take notes, as this is a great technique because your brain connects movement with language, which makes it easier to remember. Now, let's begin. The verb to be is an irregular verb. It means that it does not follow a specific pattern. As you see in this chart, it changes depending on the subject. In order to learn the form of the verb to be, you must memorize the conjugation of the verb. Let's activate your brain. Repeat after me. Pay attention to the changes of the verb to be. I am a student. You are hungry. He is Mexican. She is Susan. It is fast. We are Canadian. You are teachers. They are interesting. Great! Stay with me. This verb is the key that unlocks all of English. Now, before we practice, let's talk about contractions. In English, we often make words shorter when we speak. That's why instead of saying I am, we usually say I'm. Instead of you are, we say you're. This makes our speech faster and more natural. Let's study them. I am a student. I'm a student. You are hungry. You're hungry. He is fast. He's fast. It is a book. It's a book. We are students. We're students. You are friends. You're friends. They are Brazilian. They're Brazilian. Great! Remember, contractions are everywhere in English. When you shadow me later, make sure you practice both the full forms and the short forms so your brain learns to recognize them instantly. Let's practice the negative form. The negative form is very simple. All you need to do is add not after the verb or use the contraction. Don't just watch. Say it out loud with me. Your brain learns faster when your mouth is moving. I am not a student. I'm not a student. You are not hungry. You aren't hungry. He is not Mexican. He isn't Mexican. She is not Susan. She isn't Susan. It is not fast. It isn't fast. We are not Canadian. We aren't Canadian. You are not teachers. You aren't teachers. They are not interesting. They aren't interesting. Super! You are doing great! Let's keep studying. I hope you are taking notes and learning. Remember, once you master to be, the rest of English will feel so much easier. Do you know the function of the verb to be? Let's learn all about it. You will be an expert with all this information. First, we use the verb to be to say who we are. For example, I am Dave. She's Sylvia. We also use the verb to be to say what we are, especially with professions. For example, we are students. She is a dentist. We use the verb to be to talk about nationalities. For instance, I'm Turkish. They are from Japan. We also use the verb to be to describe people, things, animals, and places. For example, we are tall. The house is big. The cat is hungry. The volcano is amazing. Are you repeating with me? Good. Let's keep going. We use the verb to be to tell the age. Some examples are, she's 14. We are 24 years old. And finally, we use the verb to be to talk about location. For instance, the dog is on the sofa. She is at the hospital. Wow! If you are here with me, it means that you really want to improve your English. Way to go! Super! You are doing great! Let's keep studying. Ready? Let's make your brain faster at English. Repeat after me. I am a student. I'm a student. You are 20 years old. You're 20 years old. She is Danish. She's Danish. He is Eddie. He's Eddie. It is a lamp. It's a lamp. We are friends. We're friends. You are students. You're students. They are cats. They are new. They're engineers. Awesome work! When you see the words on the screen and hear me say them, your brain uses two learning channels at once. This is called dual coding, and it helps you remember longer. Let's continue working on shadowing. Remember to copy my rhythm, intonation, and pronunciation.
Repeat after me. I am Tom. I am a content designer. I'm from Chile. I am tall. I am 42 years old. I'm not a teenager. Now, read it with me. I am Tom. I am a content designer. I'm from Chile. I am tall. I am 42 years old. I'm not a teenager.
Repeat after me. We are Frank and Marcella. We are teachers. We aren't students. We are Costa Rican. We are friendly. We are 26 years old. Now read it with me. We are Frank and Marcella. We are teachers. We aren't students. We are Costa Rican. We are friendly. We are 26 years old.
Repeat after me. This is a cheetah. It is fast and dangerous. It's beautiful. It's from Africa. It's not fat. Now, read it with me. That is a cheetah. It is fast and dangerous. It's beautiful. It's from Africa. It's not fat.
Repeat after me. They are scissors. They are sharp. They're useful. They're on the table. They are not black. They're blue. Now read with me. They are scissors. They are sharp. They're useful. They're on the table. They are not black. They're blue.
Great job! You are doing great! Let's continue with the practice. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb to be. You must decide whether the sentence should be affirmative or negative. By the way, this is the final exercise. Do your best. The cat is fat. That's right. I am not a dentist. Great! They are keys. We aren't at the restaurant. Good job. You are right. They are happy. She isn't happy. He is Steven. Good job. If you made mistakes, don't worry. Your brain learns best when it notices errors and corrects them. That's how memory gets stronger. I just have one final task. When you finish the worksheet, share what you learned with a friend or someone else. By teaching, you lock the knowledge in your memory. It's the best way not to forget today's lesson. You've learned the basics of the verb to be. Keep practicing with shadowing every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for a free worksheet that goes with today's lesson. See you in the next video.